Jesus!
Hey, God!
Precious, I'm giving you 24 hours.
Is it fine?
Shut up your mouth. I am talking to you. Shut up your mouth. I'm giving you 24 hours.
What are you saying?
I'm not the one securing the car. Why are you
trying to
say?
do? What is your duty post?
I don't know what happened to the car. Please, what?
Hello guys, it's your boy Untouchable here tomorrow. Who they? I'm with. Shut up your mouth. Guys, we want to actually prank Precious based on that car. That car will give her, you understand? So she's trying to go out. She don't tell me, you understand? So how going out now? I don't gather technicians. We go dismantle that. Man, no talk. Just watch. Let's see her reaction, guys. If anybody send me money, don't send money to anybody. They are scammers. Please and please share this video and drop your account number because we are crediting massively. I am in the comment section. Guys, let's go. So that was how Precious came out and she was calling her driver. You understand? You don't even be driver. She said, "Me escort and go buy something." I said, "Now, wow, she knows how to drive now." So she started going out, but we secretly recording her. She did not know. You understand? Because one surprise her, one shock and see me come out. You know, my manager come out. We say all of us, let's hide and move. That was how we were moving and secretly following them. They did not know. Do you understand me? You get the point now? Yeah, they move, enter. I say, "Now, wow." They observe them. Oh, we know they know see us. We did on low. You get the point? That was how they entered, and we actually wanted to surprise her because guys, just watch out. Make sure you share this video and drop your account number because we are crediting massively. Share this video, drop your account number because we are crediting massively. Guys, that was how we talk to the security. Please allow us do this ASAP. We send all of them. The people we say, start work immediately. Don't waste time. As you are doing this, do it immediately and don't waste time. That was how everybody be active. Open bonnet. Immediately they open bonnet. ASAP. We hold the spare key. She no. You understand? We started losing things. And that was how we were losing because we no one make she catch us. We go lose small, check whether she don't they come out. You know, say nothing she won't go by. You understand? And it will take her a little time. So we want to, you see, that was how we removed the screen. ASAP, no time. We shifted one side because no time to check time. You get the point now. You understand? Some minutes later, he go back, go hide. They with me for inside car.
Jesus.
You understand?
Precious.
Started coming out.
Precious.
Started coming out, guys, because this thing will surprise them now. Guys, watch out and see if.
Jesus.
If you see our car here, where did you go?
Let's send a Corolla with this one. Come.
Is this where you park?
See, we are back car now. Jesus. Jesus. Precious, like car with this one. Which kind? Now this is our car now. See the key. Wait. See the key. Let me walk out with this.
Jesus.
Hey, God. Precious, our own office. Which kind?
Who did this guy say?
See, come, make me this security. Come. Okay, come. You know who did this thing?
Me, I don't know. I don't know.
What can I be saying? No. Not be security here.
I be security, but not me the security car now.
What's the problem with this one now?
I'm the security of this place. I don't know what happened.
Go back. Hey, God. Jesus.
I don't know what happened.
What do you mean you don't know what happened?
I'm not security.
What is this idiot going to do?
Are you not the security here?
What are you saying?
I'm not the one securing the car. Why is
What is your duty post?
I don't know what happened to the car. Please, what
do you mean? What's this idiot saying now? Give my phone, make I call on. Oh God.
Hey, God, Jesus.
Which kind of nonsense be this one now?
Call on touchable.
Oh, my phone no info. I don't even know what.
Use this one. Call on touchable.
Oh, I'm trying to on the phone.
Let me drive the car. Come out.
Oh my God, can they just give me now? If I, what is it now?
I'm not
you said this is our car.
This is our car now, Precious.
I'm not lying. Car, did that please?
Precious, hi, call on touchable.
Oh God.
Hey, God. our own don't finish. Which kind of problem with this one? Which kind of problem with this one? Which kind of problem with this one? Which kind of problem with this one?
You why you come back there? Why you go back there? And I was telling you that time, park there. You said
We don't even waste time. How come? How come? We don't even waste time.
Park where people park. I see where people park. Their car spoiled. You can't carry car put for you now. See what you don't cost. Why they don't give me win? Oh God. Oh. I won't cry. What kind of nonsense is this one now? Can't wait to just give me na. Enemy of progress. Village people don't find me, come here.
Call on touchable. Call on touchable. If I say remember not to go, call him away. Call him.
Wait, my try this one first. Calm down.
Jesus.
They go.
Now to go call the manager for here.
Calm down.
They go gas bring.
Hello, Pastor. Hello. Please don't touch me with you. Oh my God, Jesus. If I have killed me. I told him to park the car where people park their car. If I came to park the car in another place, now I came outside now. I saw that they already removed everything. All the glasses. Now that you just gave me.
See, you're talking like if I'm.
If I don't tell you,
it's not from me now.
Anything, are you mad? You shut
If
up
it's not from me, let me be how you come here.
I say park for the why you park for
Let me know I come here.
Grace. I don't get that. If I wait with this place, wait, take.
Give me.
Talk to him.
Hello, Pastor. We there for that get that plaza we there for that estate. Inside that estate, they always go buy something. On that side we dey. They say they come.
Oh God, waiting and don't. I see waiting, don't cause. I don't like this thing. I swear to God, I don't like it. I don't like this nonsense. I don't like this nonsense. What they do now?
Hey God.
Open this thing.
I thought you would not finish me.
Open this thing first now.
Wait. Hey God.
What kind of rubbish is this?
It's open. Wait.
Oh my God. Oh Jesus. My heart no dey breathe well. What kind of rubbish is this one?
See, I'm don't come. Jesus. Jesus. Boss, don't be me. We park here. Go buy something. Enter because they come outside. We don't know what's happening.
I told if I need to park the car. That's why if I need to go buy. When you came to park the car here, now
Here was filled up. Here was filled up with cars. See now, here was filled up with cars. I don't know where. I come back here now. We come outside because say this kind of thing happen.
If I don't send it, boys, we don't do this.
Save my boys.
No. Back and forth. They ain't no green.
Hi, boss.
You come back and forth here.
Precious.
Wait. I don't understand.
As in,
This is the car I bought for you. Another car.
If I have sent his boys.
see where we come.
Shut up your mouth. Let me understand what you say. Wait, is it my car or another car? Wait, when they prank me?
No be prank, boss. I swear to God, no be prank. We just park this car here. When we come here, it was filled up. I don't know. I don't see chance where I go park. I said no, I park here.
Fine. Hey, fine. Calm down.
I hear you.
Where were you supposed to park this car?
See, there was filled up with cars. So space.
He's a lie.
Precious, I'm not lying, like Precious now. No, where I come here.
That we came here, there was space in that place.
Doing.
If I have sent his boys to come and do this thing,
I lost the name of my boy's fan, Precious.
Both of you are supposed to go into the market. Are you not supposed to be sitting inside the car?
Hey God.
Yes.
Are you not supposed to be sitting inside the car?
I want to go something on my own too. I want to buy something for
Oh, you want to
myself.
buy something for your own self?
God, I don't.
Now, when you don't get this thing fixed, that's when you
Touch
don't
me, I will slap you.
Hey, boss, I beg you. Hey God.
Say now what you do that.
Boss, no.
Carry this car. Una carry am, una plan am, una scatter am.
Boss, no. Boss, I don't follow. Boss, I don't follow. Jesus. Precious, why are you putting the blame on me now? God. Boss, wait.
Lima.
See what you don't cause. I just pack this thing for that place. Come back for you. That's what you don't cause. Come on for road.
Stop pushing me, I beg. Leave me.
See, I don't know what you guys are planning there. I'm giving you 24 hours.
Jesus.
Do you hear me?
I did not plan anything.
Precious, I am giving you 24 hours.
Is it fine? Because I will
Shut up your mouth.
I will
I am talking to you. Shut up your mouth. I am giving you 24 hours. Thank God it's a prank. If not, I will have dealt with you.
Boss.
So seriously.
Oh, which guy is this one? Which guy is this one? Precious. Go. Pastor. No verse here. No verse. Hey. Precious.
Leave me.
See camera here. See, I do now. Every day do.
Your head no correct. Can you imagine? See these people. If this person die for you now, what's in our talk? What kind of thing is this one?
Go follow.
You dey crazy.
Baby, stop. Precious man fly.
Let's say come on, look at that.